Today we are going to take up a very important area which is always in demand. This is called information technology. Very good evening. Friends, under our series of discussions on career counseling for Indian youth, today we are going to take up a very important area which is always in demand. This is called information technology. Friends, as all of you know, that we are living in an age of digital economy. Our entire knowledge economy is now digitized. We are living in a world now where without information technology, nothing moves. Everything depends on our knowledge in computer. So my dear friends, information technology is such an important area, such a demanding area, which is an indispensable in the post-COVID time. My dear friends, how one can become a computer science professional, how somebody can be a system analyst, that is what we are going to discuss today. So, information technology as a career option, that is the topic of discussions today. My dear friends, always remember that if you want to be a computer professional, there could be multiple channels to be a computer professional. You can do a certificate course, you can do a PGDCA like a diploma course, or you can be a graduate engineer in information technology. So it all depends on your attitude, your aptitude, what exactly you want to do, whether you want to do a full-fledged course or you want to just do a diploma course. So the fact is that there is, and the most important thing is that this is one area where the investment in studies is low, but the earning is very high if you really find the right way. So that is the beauty of this career option. So my dear friends, everybody loves to be a computer savvy nowadays. With an Android phone, with a lot of laptop, everywhere the use of computer applications are there. So anybody who wants to be a computer professional, if he wants to be a regular computer professional, then he has to be a BTech in information technology. So he has to be an engineer in computer science, or he has to study BSc in computer science, or MSc in computer science, or PhD in computer science. So either he has to go through a regular mode of course like BSc, MSc in computer science, or he has to be a BTech, MTech in computer science or information technology. And how did they do that? In many universities of India across the states, there are many such universities, and there are exclusive universities also where computer science has been taken as a regular subject of instruction. Lot of students take computer science, particularly those who complete their +2 science, they normally join computer science, and if they choose computer science, then they get a degree in BSc, 3 years course in BSc, and they become a BSc computer science, then they become a MSc computer science, which is a 2 years post-graduation course. And if you wish to join BTech, then you have to clear the JEE main examination or JEE advanced examination, by which you can join any of the NITs or any of the IITs, you can join, or any of the engineering institute where information technology is a subject. And when you talk of information technology, the graduation course, the BTech course is 4 years course, then MTech is again 2 years course. And after, when you study this, remember one thing, in computer science, you specialize either in hardware or in software. Some courses, you combine the both. You have a core knowledge of hardware, and you also have the software. And after the completion of the course, if you plan your career properly, then either you have to be a system analyst, or a system developer, or a web designer, or a programmer. So a computer engineer nowadays have a lot of areas to function. For example, he can or she can be a system analyst, he can be systems manager, he can be a computer scientist, and he can contribute in designing, web designing, he can be animation. So there are too many areas in computer science he can develop and deliver. And remember, it is one area where the first thing required is your passion. Whether you have an interest in computer or not, your knowledge in your passion, your interest are very fundamental step. That is the baby step you have to take first. Everybody is interested to have a computer, have a laptop, but one has to understand what is the hardware behind it, how the software is developed, how an app is developed. All these things you have to be trained, and you have to, and as you know that computer science or information technology is a very dynamic area. It changes every day. Every day you have a lot of apps coming up, lot of things are deleted. So like in social media, you have a Facebook, you have Twitter, you have Instagram, all the whole format is there. So you being a specialist in information technology and computer science, you can really have to decide which area is your forte and where you can deliver. And remember, the contemporary age is an age where computer knowledge is a must. There is no alternative. Absolutely, there is no alternative. You have to be very focused. So all the best to be a computer professional or a system analyst. You can choose your career, you can choose your institution properly, and then you join and you can succeed. Thank you.